High blood sugar is one of the most acute and widespread problems of modern society. According to the World Health Organization, hundreds of millions of people worldwide suffer from prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, and a significant number of them are not even aware of their condition. This is especially dangerous because prolonged ignoring of carbohydrate metabolism disorders can lead to serious complications, damage to blood vessels, kidneys, eyes, nervous system, and heart. Among the early symptoms that are worth paying attention to are constant fatigue, unquenchable thirst, dry mouth, slow healing of even minor wounds, a sharp deterioration in vision, and an irresistible feeling of hunger. These body signals should not be ignored. Fortunately, nature offers us gentle but effective ways to support our metabolic health. One of these natural gifts is pumpkin seeds, or rather, natural pumpkin milk made at home. This simple but powerful drink can become a valuable ally in combating glycemic disorders and improving overall well-being. Pumpkin seeds are rightfully considered a superfood. They contain magnesium, zinc, iron, vegetable proteins, polyunsaturated fatty acids, and dietary fiber. All of these components play a key role in regulating glucose levels. For example, magnesium helps to increase the sensitivity of cells to insulin, and zinc is involved in the synthesis and secretion of the hormone insulin by the pancreas. Iron, in turn, strengthens the walls of blood vessels and improves oxygen metabolism. This is especially important in diabetes, when blood microcirculation is often disrupted. The fiber contained in the seeds slows down the absorption of simple carbohydrates in the intestine, preventing sudden sugar spikes after meals. However, pumpkin seeds bring the greatest benefits in the form of a liquid drink, the so-called pumpkin milk. In this form, all useful substances are absorbed by the body faster and more efficiently. The drink not only helps to stabilize glucose levels, but also has a comprehensive health-improving effect. It gently cleanses the intestines, has an anti-parasitic effect, improves skin condition, strengthens the immune system, and supports the health of the cardiovascular system. It is not difficult to prepare such milk. You will need only a few ingredients: 150 grams of peeled pumpkin seeds, 4 cups of pure water, 4 to 5 dates, and a pinch of cinnamon. The seeds are pre-soaked in water for 8 hours, preferably overnight, to activate enzymes and improve digestibility. Then they are ground in a blender with water to a homogeneous consistency, after which they are filtered through cheesecloth or a fine sieve. Dates and cinnamon are added to the resulting drink, not only for taste, but also to enhance the therapeutic effect. Dates are a natural source of potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants that support the functioning of the heart and nervous system. Cinnamon has long been known for its properties to reduce insulin resistance and improve cell sensitivity to insulin. So, ready-made pumpkin milk should be stored in the refrigerator for no more than 2 or 3 days. The recommended dosage is 100 milliliters on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before breakfast. It's really important to follow a special intake regime. Drink the beverage for 4 days, then take a 4-day break. This cyclical approach helps your body gradually adapt to the active ingredients, avoiding any overload and providing a stable but mild effect, without developing any kind of addiction. The anthelmintic effect of pumpkin milk, deserves special attention. The seeds contain a unique substance called cucurbitин, which effectively fights parasites, including giardia and pinworms. At the same time, it's absolutely safe for humans, even for children, and can be used for preventive purposes, especially during the spring and summer months when the risk of infection is higher. However, it's important to remember that pumpkin milk isn't a panacea or a substitute for traditional therapy. It doesn't eliminate the need to take insulin or hypoglycemic drugs if you already have a diagnosis of diabetes. That said, as an additional support for prediabetes, insulin resistance, or as part of an integrated approach to managing sugar levels, it really is an excellent natural remedy. But before starting regular use, make sure to consult with your doctor or endocrinologist, especially if you have chronic diseases. Pumpkin milk is such a vivid example of how healthcare can actually be simple, affordable, and even enjoyable. Instead of expensive biologically active additives and synthetic drugs, it's a living natural product created by nature itself. By including it in your daily diet, you'll not only help your body gently regulate glucose levels, but also give yourself a boost of energy, inner purity, and a sense of harmony. Health really does start small, with a conscious choice in favor of natural solutions that are proven by both time and science.